Let's go push him. Let's do it. Hit! Hit! Hit!
Well, that didn't work so well.
You're fucking hit. I got him.
Let's try it again.
You're hit. I'm hitting your pack, dude. Hey, tell him he's hit. All right, you want me to take this one? You take the next? Yeah. All right.
So on this gloomy November weekend, me and some friends from the United Richmond Airsoft group, we decided to take a little bit of a road trip and hit up a couple places. We start out at CZ Airsoft in Central Virginia on November 22nd.
Dropped one. Hey, we got one friendly down on the right. Okay, thanks, I see ya. Whoop. I don't see him. Oh. Now I got it. Did he move back? He's hit. Good call. Good kill, good kill. I think he was solo. Okay. Push up. Think. Push up.
Black building from the left. He got away, so he's right there by that black building. Yeah, well, I feel like it's just too much inside. Yeah.
You guys
want me to hit your black building. There's at least one there. There's at least one there.
spread out. We're working our way up the street.
You want to try this one?
Yeah. Oop. Watch your right, watch your right! Gotcha. Got you. No worries. Good play, good play.
So I dropped these two guys, and I just kept walking in the same general direction that they were walking as they were heading back towards spawn. The only thing is, their teammates thought I was one of them, and we were just all walking together. They were very wrong.
They're all dead.
One left! There you go. Kill him, Zach!
I don't even know what you call this game mode, but it was a lot of fun. It was basically a 3 versus 3, where you kept shooting each other, and when you would get shot out, you'd come off and you'd tag somebody else in, and they'd go in and they'd get shot up or shoot other people up, and it would just go on and on until eventually one person would get through the opponent's end zone.
Oh, good hit. We got one coming back.
I'm gonna go left. Just on the back. Left. Hey, do left.
Go.
Go.
Got one coming up on left. Never mind.
Day 2, Cousins Airsoft in Northern Virginia. Cousins is actually new to the airsoft community. They've been running paintball for plenty of years, but they decided they wanted to get into the airsoft game and got a pretty decent field. Their staging area is fantastic.
Oh, he's down. One in center. I got one in center. All right, moving. Oh, good hit. Good hit. Good hit. Good hit. Damn. Almost center. Copy. Is that everybody? Is that everybody? I didn't do shit. I got 2 going left. And they're just... All right, 1 down. Oh. Somewhere to the left.
By me.
Okay, he's gone. You got him.
I don't care what I want.
All right, they're breaking.
Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I can. Well, please, I don't give a damn if you all listening to me, 'cause I run it. I'm the only one that really want it. I'm the only one that's really on it. I'm just being honest.
All right, 2 made it left. 2 made it far left. Hey, you got 2 far left. You're just gonna have to hunker here and do what you can with that pistol. Oh, I got 1. Hey, 1 under the bridge. 1 under the bridge.
Get the party started. Yeah, get the party
1
started.
under the bridge.
Let me get up on it. Yeah, bitch, you got me fucked up. I don't know what's up. Pour that shit in my cup. We about to turn up. Crank
Hey.
this shit up so loud. Sounds like we're sold out.
Neck change.
Fuck up the whole crowd. We just control now. Take this shit to
I got 2 bags. 2 bags.
Everybody gotta be
Okay.
Everybody wanna be working with me, and I feel like there's
There's a few of them.
what you wanna be, but honestly, we change our minds constantly, so stop.
What you shooting at, Jay?
Wanna be.
Where's it coming from, Jeff? Oh shit! Close, close, close! Hit! Hit, hit, hit! 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 Hit, hit, hit! Hit, man, coming out! Good kill, good kill, good kill. Good kill. Yep. He's gone, Jeff! He's gone!
I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this. Work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit. No, because I want this. Don't try to stop me. Failure ain't an option. So
I'm on my last slice.
I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this. Work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit. No, because I want this. Don't try to stop me.
You're gone! He's gone! He's gone! Woo! How the hell are you still alive?
It's too late for you, not for me. I don't give a fuck if you got a college degree. Did you learn anything? Really worth anything? 200 grand later and we're not even working. Student loans worth more than what we're earning. Best lesson I learned is to keep on searching. Find your true passion and get to work. And better take action or you end up serving.
Hit!
That's a fact. So you better clean up your act. So you better raise up a sack. And tell the world they can suck on that. Don't come back, pack your bags. You take a trip and don't relax. You hit the switch,
Shit,
just
Jeff.
attack. You find your niche and make some racks. Don't hold back. Everybody wake up. It's time to break up with the life you made up. It's time to trade up. Live the life you want now. A life you don't doubt. I can give a fuck now. just figure it out. Wake up, man, this life is a blur. Everyone's got an opinion, so which one you prefer? Cause I'll give you one that's coming from an entrepreneur. Don't give up on your dream, it is what you deserve.
Oh, you got Jeff.
You ready?
Yeah. I think you're dead. Oh, did he move? Oh, motherfucker. All right, we should have one moving left, right?
Go left, I'll go right.
Copy that.
Failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope
Oh,
that you're
he's on the back left. Back left, back left.
work until I'm nauseous, 'cause I will
He's
not
gone.
quit. No, because I want this. Don't try to stop me. Failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching.
Got one breaking right.
Until I'm nauseous, 'cause I will not quit. No, because I want this. Don't try to stop me.
You watch that.
Failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this. Work until I'm nauseous, 'cause I will not quit. No, because I want this.
I thought you were still back there.
Me now.
I think they only had one go right. He's inside in the base. He's on the left, or on the right. He's on the... Got him.
I don't know where he's
Far left is what he was yelling.
shot me in the face after the game was over.
Yeah, I got one like
Ow!
right at the end.
Motherfucker!
All right, I dropped him, Jeff. He's gone. Woo. Good hit. Hey, I'm coming out the easy way.
That's it till next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, huh?
Yabba dabba pew!